Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to connect your PNC Bank to the Acorns app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and fund your Acorns app with your PNC Bank. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, what you want to do is log onto your Acorns app. Then click on the profile icon in the upper right-hand corner. Then go ahead and click on Settings, and then click on Linked Accounts. Next, click on Link Another Account. Then this is where you're going to either have to verify your phone number, or you could actually go ahead and connect to a bank account. So over here, go ahead and find PNC, click on PNC Bank. So it's actually going to prompt you to verify your phone number. So at which point, just enter the code, and then it's going to prompt you to log into your PNC Bank. At which point you could actually go ahead and select which account you want connected to Acorns. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your PNC Bank to the Acorns app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.